What's up, everyone? Before you continue, I just want to apologize if you were looking for a how-to video, because this isn't it. I had a thought and I decided to act on it, and so I built this deck with materials I had at home and hardware that was in my junk drawer. It's not the nicest, but it did do the job to function as a space to hang out on the roof of my car. As I'm recording the voiceover to this, it's been about 5 or 6 days, and yeah, it's held up nice and sturdy, and yeah, it's holding up quite well. I didn't have to drill into the vehicle itself, and honestly, I didn't want to. So you can see I used hardware to attach brackets onto existing bolts found on the vehicle, and the floors are repurposed from my home. Now, like I said, this isn't a how-to video, it's more of an introduction. I plan on making, cooking, and taking drives and just hanging up on the roof of the car. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy your day, and yeah, I look forward to all the things that I have planned now that I have a roof on my car. I hope you guys join me, and I can't wait.